On this episode of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt Boys, we're doing some really cool stuff here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Every once in a while, we have a friend that brings down their 1965 Impala, and he wants the frame changed out to a hot rod souped up frame. We got that done. Mr. Will is going to go over that with you here on this episode. But right here in front of me, first things, is this Velocity Blue Ford Bronco that is coming together here. This Velocity Blue paint is, believe it or not, in Diamond is $2,600 a gallon. What you see here, we have a gallon of paint on this truck, and we got to buy a lot more to get this done. So paint is very expensive when you use a lot of pearls and metallics to it. So we'll go from there, but this will be painted here in the next couple of weeks, and we can't wait to show it to you. Now, every once in a while too, we do full builds here on classic trucks. This is a brand new Rust Belt tub here that's built here in Canfield, Ohio, as a blueprint stroker 347 with the fuel injection. Classic truck here, probably a mid-70s, 170, 71 truck. Absolutely gorgeously done. TDK frame. Will's going to talk to you a little bit about this and what's got to be done to it, so go Will, go for it.
You can see right now it has a motor in it, a slight powertrain, but no interior, no gauges, no nothing. So we got to put headlights in this, tail lights, interior seats, gauges. It all depends on what kind of, what you'd like to do.
And you can build these however you want, so.
Yeah, I mean, you got a blank slate right here. We can do them from original to wild, depending on how you'd like to do it. This has a 283 small block Chevy engine with original 36,000 miles. The customer's father bought this vehicle, and it's been in the same family ever since. So basically a grocery getter or a cruising car on a Sunday type deal, not driven a bunch. And it's kind of odd to see that for a 65 Impala with such low miles on it, but it drives like a dream. The paint is original on this. Customer wanted to leave the paint all original, as he said every nook and cranny, scratch and dent had a story behind it that's been through his family. He wanted to keep that. But this paint is in really good shape for the age it is. It had a few rust spots on the driver's side fender that we patched in, cleaned up, and you can't even tell. The interior was left all original except for the new steering column and steering wheel that our fantastic body shop next door painted to match the vehicle's exterior paint. We're gonna go ahead, put it up on the rack, and lift it up for you guys so you can see all the work that we did underneath. Chevy is on the lift, let's look underneath. So what we did, we replaced the original gas tank with this reproduction gas tank, and it came in a nasty kind of just dull gray, painted it a nice black to match the underside. You can see some of the new suspension pieces, the new track bar, the new lower control arms, and the new coilovers by Ride Tech. You can also see the back of the Willwood brakes. The customer decided to go and replace all the original trim. So we did the rockers and the wheel wells, and along with the sides as well, but still factory rear bumper was still in good shape, so we left that. All right, we've moved to the front of the 65 Impala to cover what we did. We have this nice QA1 sway bar with adjustable sway bar links, along with their lower control arm and the steering linkage. And we also put on their QA1 coilovers in the front, where the back suspension was all Ride Tech. This is all QA1. So a little bit different from manufacturers from front to rear, but complements each other really well. You guys can see the rear of the front Willwood brakes that have the drilled and slotted rotors on this. The customer also opted to go with a little bit beefier and heavier transmission cross member, which you can see back here. Here at Rust Belt Off-Road, we can handle all your restoration needs, from powertrain swaps and upgrades to brakes to frame off restorations. We can handle your paint upgrades, or electrical, you name it, we can handle it.
Now behind me here is the 67 to 72 C10 truck here. This is a 4-wheel drive model, air-conditioned dash. The fixtures we have here built these exact. This is 100% square. The only square truck cabs on the market here are built at Rust Belt Off-Road. Check them out here online and in person. At Rust Belt Off-Road here, you can see the 69 to 72 Blazer coming together here. This has the Motor City K5 top on it here. It's a single wall top. We sell those here with our trucks. So it's an upgrade we do offer. The website's coming soon with this stuff on it. We can't wait to get that going here in the next month or two. It'll be up and running. But look at the truck here. Look how straight it is. We're the only ones that sell the body, the Blazer body here, complete, fully assembled, all fully gapped and ready to start your body work and paint on it. Give us a call here at Rust Belt Off-Road, 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com.